What's up guys, Sal here. So DJ Co recently said that he will bring flagship worthy features to their mid-range lineup, and he wasn't kidding. Galaxy A80, which is Samsung's first full-screen smartphone without any notch or hole, is finally official. So let's talk about the top 5 features this phone that also has a rotating camera is coming with. As you can see, the Galaxy A80 has a full-screen 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. Earlier reports had claimed that this device would be launched as the Galaxy A90. That's not the case though, it's gonna be called the Galaxy A80. Anyway, the phone has slim bezels overall and it looks beautiful. Honestly, to me, it looks like the Galaxy S10e from the front without the hole cut out, of course, and it's not a bad thing. The back is made up of glass, thankfully, which gives it a premium look overall. This phone also has a sliding rotating camera, which is the reason it has an all-screen display. The A80 has only one camera module that acts as both front and back camera. As you can see, when you open the front camera, it automatically rotates so it can function as a selfie camera. The main advantage of having one camera module is that you're gonna get amazing selfies, since we all know that the back camera on any smartphone is superior to the front one. It contains a triple camera array consisting of a main 48 megapixel camera flanked by an ultra-wide 8 megapixel camera and a third time-of-flight sensor. It can also take bokeh videos, which for a mid-range device is an amazing feature to have. It also has a fingerprint scanner underneath the display. It's optical and not the ultrasonic that you find on the Galaxy S10. The optical scanner on the Galaxy A50 isn't so great, but let's hope it's better on the Galaxy A80. It also has a sound on display tech, which means whenever you make a call, the sound comes through the display. This helps Samsung push the top bezel forward, and that's the reason the Galaxy A80 has a top bezel thinner than the Galaxy S10 Plus. This works out. I'm sure Samsung will bring this tech to their future flagships as well. This handset comes with a new processor called the Snapdragon 730G, which is made on Samsung's 8nm LPP process. The Exynos 9820, which you can find on the Galaxy S10 in markets other than the United States, is also built on the 8nm process. So even though the Exynos 9820 is a better chipset because it's a flagship processor, I'm sure the performance of the Snapdragon 730G will be almost similar, if not better, and that's quite impressive considering it's a mid-range chipset. But we'll have to wait for shipping devices to really judge that. Apart from these features, it also has a 25-watt fast charging capabilities, which is more than the Galaxy S10. 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of base storage, no microSD card slot, no headphone jack.
What?
I know, right? What can you do? Anyway, the price of this handset is 649 euros and will be released on May 29th. That said, do consider subscribing for daily tech videos like this, and as always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace out.